Good morning, Barira. Barira. Good morning, dear.
Hello, yes.
Yeah, please turn on your camera, dear.
One minute, I'm getting ready.
Okay. So, like you are interested in the mini MasterChef competition, right?
What?
You are interested in the mini MasterChef competition.
Oh, yes.
Okay. And what about the Little Lens Star competition? It is actually a vlogging competition. Are you ready for that also? Can I give your name?
Yes.
Okay, okay. And Abib, we are having two competitions in this term, and that is first one is mini MasterChef competition, and the other one is Little Lens Star competition, which is a vlogging competition. Okay, so you are interested in which one, Abib?
I don't understand.
In this term, we are having two competitions, which is going to happen. Okay, not on today. One competition is on May 20th, and the other one is in June. So, in which you are interested for mini MasterChef competition or for Little Lens Star competition? That is actually a vlogging competition, and mini MasterChef is a fireless cooking competition. Which one you are interested?
The other one.
The second
The
one.
June. Yeah, the June one you said.
Okay, okay. So I will be giving Barira. I will be giving your name for both the competition and Abib for one competition. And Barira, Abib, are you ready with the talk today? Abib, can you hear me?
What?
Are you ready with the talk today?
Yes.
Okay, so give this person. Actually, network got some
Ma'am,
issue.
you're lagging. I can't even hear you.
Yeah, actually, my network is lagging because of that. Okay, now can you hear me? Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, your mother is there, Barira. Your mother is there.
No, he went to school.
Okay, okay. So, like, can I remove you?
No, I don't wanna be.
Yes, dear.
I don't wanna be removed though. Can't I have both classes?
You like to attend both the classes?
Hmm.
Okay, so can you discuss it with your mother and just tell me tomorrow? And just tell your
No.
mother. Yeah, just tell your mother to update me.
No,
Okay,
she
about
gave
that.
me two options. Enterprising or what? Ah! Oh my god, not my phone.
Okay, so Abib, so you are ready for the. Don't pick up the phone during the class time, Barira.
Wait
Okay.
1 minute. Ah, yeah.
And so yeah, so today both of them are there, right?
Um,
Yes,
I
Barira.
just, it was just my mom calling me.
Any updates about this, Barira? Did she told you anything?
She like told me I am mom told me about the enterprising thing.
Mm.
So then she said, "Okay, I'm calling her."
Okay, okay. So I think she will be messaging me, right?
Oh,
Okay. So if you're interested, I will not be removing you from that list. Okay?
mm-hmm.
Okay. Just tell her that extra payment is there for that and just inform me. Okay? Whether you can do that payment or not. Okay?
Wait, can I have 1 minute to text her this extra payment?
Yeah, I have told her. I have already told her. Don't worry
Okay,
about that. Okay.
by phone.
Okay. So Abib, can you just present your thought?
Yes. Why
And
does this every time has to happen?
and Barira is ready with a new string.
Ma'am,
Well,
remember when we had to make those stickers in the
Mm,
middle class?
mm.
We made these stickers in another class or something. I don't know. But we stuck them around the house. But the water ones got ruined because of the water. No. Okay. All right then. Can I present first? Itching so hard.
Yeah, you can present a P.
for me,
Okay. The door's already locked. Door's already locked.
I'm glitching.
No, no, I can hear you.
Ma'am, is there something wrong with your internet or mine? You're glitching a lot.
Yeah,
Yeah, she was glitching a lot earlier.
is actually I'm having some issue. Yeah, Beep, you can just start. Yeah, it's
Are you
almost
in
time.
UAE?
Okay, do it fastly, Beep.
Are you in UAE? Where do you live?
Okay.
What is this?
Yes.
Why is it?
Wait, what? Some days you just have to create your own sunshine.
Yeah. This is
What?
fine.
Just
Present it.
Yeah, some days. Okay, that's a great thought actually. Okay, then bye. Nahida ma'am is here. Bye. Have a great day.
no,
Bye.
ma'am. I
Ma'am,
can't do
if
PYA2.
Sidra and
Our
Alfati is
company won't
joining,
even
just
teach
ask
us
them about the
anything.
competition. Okay, for which competition they are interested, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.